So did you know that you could be jeopardizing your own chances of getting a mortgage by doing some of these innocent things? Keep watching to find out some common mistakes people make after they apply for a mortgage. So if you're planning to buy a home in this unprecedented market, then you need to put your best foot forward. Sometimes you have the best intentions, but you still make these simple mistakes that could cost you your chances of getting a home loan. So let's go over a few of these mistakes so you don't make them. Number one is don't make any deposits or withdrawals from your bank account. Obviously, taking large amounts of money out of your account is not what you want to do, but also make sure not to make any large deposits. Banks must verify any large deposits made to your account to make sure that they come from credible sources to avoid any fraudulent activities. Banks need time to verify where the money came from, and this could slow down your mortgage process. Number two of don't do is don't make any large purchases, please. Don't go out and buy high-ticket items such as cars and furniture. By charging more on your card, you are creating more debt. This will definitely raise red flags to lenders. Number three of please don't do this is open a new credit account. Never open or close any accounts. Opening a new account gives the impression that you're going to spend more money. This makes you look like a high-risk customer from a lender's standpoint. Don't close any accounts either. By closing any existing accounts, this reduces your available credit and therefore increases the debt-to-income ratio. Number four is changing jobs. Even if it's a job position that offers higher pay, changing jobs before a loan is finalized is a definite no. Lenders will consider this as high risk. Never change jobs. Bottom line, when in doubt, always ask your lender or agent before doing anything concerning your finances when you're trying to get a loan. A simple phone call or email could save you lots and lots of headaches. I hope this information was helpful, and if you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos that I put out in the future.